What's up, guys? My name is Brendan, and this is Student of the Community. In this series, you guys send me your clips through Instagram's direct messenger, and then I give you the best tips I can. That way, we all learn from each other and become students of the entire tricking community. With that said, let's get started. Our first clip comes from Fists of Legend, and he's looking for some tips on his swing 9. He says the kick doesn't look snappy enough. Let's check it out. First, I want to say I thought that was a good swing 9. I thought it was pretty snappy. But there's two things I want you to focus on. The first is hitting a really big eagle right after you do your tornado kick. If you're in a nice big eagle, that'll slow you down and give you more control to enter into the swing 9. The second tip is to move your arms in opposition when you do the round kick in the swing 9. When you did both the hook kicks, you did a great job of moving your whole upper body in opposition of your hook kick. But when you did the round kicks, you kind of kept your arms more in. What I recommend to make the kick extra snappy is to move your arms in big opposition every time you do that round kick. That'll accentuate the kick and make it look a lot snappier. Our second clip is from Raindrop, and he sent us a video of his Raiz full. He said this was his first attempt, so let's check it out.
Yep. Yo! Yo!
That was a good Raiz full, but there's one thing I really want you to focus on, and that's getting more flip in your Raiz. And there's a ton of ways to do that. The first way is to just drill your Gumby to kind of get used to that low and fast motion. The other way, and kind of what I like to do, is when I do a Raiz, I imagine I'm going for a touchdown Raiz, but instead of putting that hand down, I move it back into an eagle. Other than that, I think in my head the whole time, touchdown Raiz, because that helps me get a lower, faster Raiz that's a better setup. I think if you get a little bit more flip on your Raiz, you'll have no issues doing the full. Our third clip is from Garanga Thomas, and he's looking for some tips on his cart full. He just wants to improve the trick, so let's check it out.
Baby, you're my favorite.
First, I want to say that was a great clip. I love the pointing, it was right with the music. It killed me. That said, I think there's one thing you need to focus on when it comes to the cart full, and that is getting more power from the cartwheel and putting more power into the cartwheel. The more power you put into the cartwheel, the more power you're gonna get in the full. You didn't have enough flip to land your full with your chest up in a nice standing position. So you need to get more power from your setup, and that's the cartwheel. To do this, you could push more in the beginning, you could push off the ground harder with your arms, or you could get your legs together faster at the end and do more of a smooth block. Regardless of what you decide, the big thing is you need to get more power from your cartwheel. Our fourth clip is from Charlie, and it's another cart full, this time with some different issues. Let's check it out.
Big up all the ladies that came out into their backyard on some creative one too.
I went too much on that one.
Big up all the ladies that came out into their backyard on some creative one too.
I went too much on that one.
First, I want to say that was a really good cart full. You can definitely land this trick if you haven't already. That said, there's one thing I think you should focus on, and that is opening up at the end. When you exit your cart full, it really helps to open up your arms and to open your body up to stop you from flipping and twisting. The more you open up your arms, the more you'll slow your twist, and the more you open up your body, the more you slow your flip. If you slow your twist and your flip right before you land, it's a lot easier and you're able to land more softly than if you get a little bit too much flip, which is what happened in this case. It's not a bad issue because all you need to do is just open up a little bit more at the end. Our fifth clip is from David, and he sent us a video of his Raiz twist. He wants to get it a lot better. Let's check it out. You are so close to landing that Raiz twist. I just think you should focus on two things. The first is to get more flip in your Raiz by focusing on your set in the beginning, driving that back leg more vertically than to the side. That'll get you a little bit more flip. The second is when you get into that twisting position, squeeze tight. Instead of doing a figure four with your leg, try and bring them together. That will help you get a lot more twist. If you get more flip by focusing on the Raiz set and get more twist by bringing your legs together, you'll have no issues landing this trick. Thank you guys so much for watching, and a special thank you to everybody who sent in a clip. If you want to get your clip featured on the next student of the community, you can always direct message them to me at Mastering Tricking on Instagram. I will probably not reply. I get so many that it's too much now. But I appreciate every single one, and I try and read all of them. Thank you guys so much again, and have a lovely day.